How to enable Weverse notifications. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about enabling the Weverse notifications on your device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Weverse application on your mobile device, and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the notifications icon from the home page of Weverse. And here you can see that I've not enabled the notification, so it is turned off in my device. So in order to turn it on, you can go ahead, tap on the bell icon again, and then tap on Allow Notification. This will take you to the app settings, or you can directly go ahead and open your system settings, or you can tap and hold on to this application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and this will take you to the app info page. Now go to permissions. Then scroll down and then tap on notifications and simply toggle the switch for allow notifications and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can easily enable Weverse notifications on your device. So if you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.